Go get your present. What's your present at? Karen, go move the box.
Go get it. Go. Merry Christmas. 2012. Open it up.
She knows that's funny.
She won't let me get it now. What is it? What is it? You know, we should have opened Daddy's first.
That's a small present, Karen.
Oh, I want my present. I want my present.
I can't open it.
Is that your present? Where's your stocking?
Gremlin, you are
Pick up my knife.
Oh, you move too much.
Pick up my knife. What you got?
What you got, Graham? That a good gift.
I don't think she likes it.
Yummy? Like, no like. That's too hard.
Gremlin has another one.
Hey.
Oh, you got a big one. You didn't tell me you gave her that.
What's that? What is
You rotten dog. You got more than two
I
gifts.
need a knife.
We'll get a knife. Oh boy, that's bigger than you, Graham.
I got two presents.
You like that? Go play with it. Your dad's getting it. Yeah, I want more.
Whose toy? Whose toy? Is that yours?
Oh, yay. Thanks.
Did you like it? I hope it fit.
Yeah. What size are they? 6.5. They should fit.
I wish you said 7.
My Christmas present.
Yeah, here's this little box. Cute.
Mine.
I don't know. Whose is it?
Is that Mom's? Is that the one I gave you last night?
No, that's down there.
I don't know. It's
That's Mom.
That's for Karen.
that Cuba?
Yeah.
That one, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, jerk.
You giving you a watch?
Open up yours. Put the camera down there. You got enough pictures.
No, I gotta wait for Karen.
I got
Someone doesn't even like the present.
She wants another one.
You got no more.
Somebody's cheating. Say, I ain't good, man.
Oh, yay.
Good, man. I didn't get enough.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I hope you like it.
Yes. Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay, take a close look. You're going to see writing on the float, Lucy.
Is it already set?
I hope you wear it. Yeah, she said it. Let me
I
see.
don't know. I gotta learn how to read clock time. I don't know how to read clocks.
MK. Where's your other one? Oh, that one right there.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Nice.
I forgot to take the price off.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
Sorry. I forgot. That's the cheapest, by the way, of all your gifts.
Karen got half of it. You got your toys hidden now? You got them hidden from everybody?
Where's the other one I wrapped?
Oh, right. No, I give them all to her. Right there.
I hope you like it, because you keep saying, oh, I want that, I want that.
You bring your bone up here with you.
Then you can make
Yeah.
me smoothie, Karen.
She doesn't trust me. Oh, she dropped it.
Better go get it.
Go play with it, Graham.
Tell Mom.
Who's that from?
Us.
I did?
Yeah, you did.
I don't remember wrapping it.
Cause I wrap them up.
Oh, yay. Now I don't have pimples anymore.
I didn't know that's for pimple remover.
You got so you got good.
No, it's like a skin cleaner.
You got
The lady goes, oh, that works so good. I said, really? Yeah.
good toy. I got good toy. Yeah, I got bone. Yeah, I got bone sticks.
Let me see that one.
That's all the bone. That's like all Macy's.
No, this is from Victoria's Secret. And that's from JCPenney's.
Still one more.
Oh, yeah, because
Oh, yay.
There's still one more under there then. Open yours now, babe. I want to see if you like it.
I always like it, hon.
No, you don't.
What kind of parade is that on TV? You like it, Karen? Try it on.
I like it.
Huh?
It fit me. Well, I don't know. This one might be too big.
You can
I
always,
think the smaller the small, so.
I think extra small.
you might get a little bit bigger, so you just,
No, it's just it's too long because I'm so short.
can you cut them? Have Janice cut them.
I always just fold up my other pants from Victoria's Secret. Thank you.
I sure got my good puppy toys now.
Did you like your toy, Graham?
Keep dropping it.
I'm a happy dog. I'm a happy dog now.
Open yours.
They closed. Open yours back.
Open yours. You gotta open yours first. Oh, you.
I wonder what these are.
Yeah, that's supposed for
Nope,
stocking
nope.
stuffers.
Let's see, a box of milk does.
Shut up. Open it up. How'd you know? You're not a mind reader.
I've got them. I got Karen's gifts out. There's like 4 boxes. Clothes.
Act like you like it, hon.
What?
If it doesn't fit, you can always return. That's a Levi's. Open your card.
And milk duds. Oh, a diabetic stream.
Diabetic Street.
Why did I get my puppy back?
You got more in here. Cash. Mom, cash. I got more in there.
Mom and
Got
Dad.
money. Got
Both
money.
of you guys.
How come you open it? I didn't get a chance to open it.
Brother's behind you.
I'll wait.
It was in the card. Yeah, you can have it. Charlie.
What is it?
About,
So you, oh, so you kept that one, but you
oh, keep them both. Yeah, I didn't know they were together.
yeah.
This one fell out of this one. I opened it up.
What's this for?
Outback.
Outback.
movies.
Yes, Outback. I like Outback. Give me the card. I want to read it later.
DVD.
How'd you know, Han? So you're now a card reader or a mind reader?
What?
How could you get the movie you already bought yourself?
I did not buy
That's
it
kinda
myself. I did not buy it myself.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you did that.
She wrapped up one that we already
It
bought.
was on the table.
I know, I bought it. I bought it at Sam's Club.
No, you
So
did.
cheap.
That your favorite?
Yeah, movie.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Let me see. How many greenbacks? How many grants?
Couple of greenbacks.
I hope you like it.
Now open yours. Put the camera down for a little bit.
Set it for me, Karen.
Online.
You don't carry them anymore?
Yeah, they carry it online. It's not right.
Really? How am I supposed to turn it on?
See, it goes like this, and you can talk like that. And then you have a keypad.
Did you have any good review on that?
Yeah. That's one of the best ones I got. The guy said, you still here real quick? Because you can type like a keyboard.
How do I activate
You know, I don't
that?
know how she's gonna type like this.
Probably not.
No, I don't think she can. There's not a keyboard.
Yeah,
No, there's not. Look.
Where is this? Is this in New York? Where's this parade, Karen?
Alexander, it's the same.
Gremlin. Do you like your toy?
Get out.
Go get your toy.